Okay, for this video we're going over power of a quotient. So let's think about these words first. Quotient. What is a quotient? Well, a quotient would be a fraction. And then power would be an exponent. So power of a quotient is when we have something like this. When we have power of an exponent, it means that the numerator takes on the exponent and so does the denominator. So what we would end up with would be a to the m over b to the m. Okay. So just as an example, you don't have to write this example down, but a and b are just representing two different numbers. So I could have 2x in the top over 3 in the bottom, and I'm going to set that power to 2. So that would be equal to 2x over 3 times 2x over 3. So we're just multiplying this twice. So 2 times 2, we would have 4. X times x is x squared over 3 times 3 is 9. So with this rule, knowing our power of a quotient, when I have 2x over 3 squared, I can rewrite it as 2 squared x squared over 3 squared. So this would be 2 times 2 is 4, x squared over 3 times 3 is 9. So we get the same answer, but this is more of a shortcut. Instead of multiplying this twice, this exponent can be up to number 20 or something. So this shortcut, instead of multiplying all across to figure that out, we can figure out things much more quickly. Now just to show an example of something that would not work out, if it was 2 plus x over 3 squared. Okay, so notice how before we had 2 times x, now I changed it to 2 plus x. So let's see what happens when we multiply these together. I would have 2 plus x over 3 times 2 plus x over 3. Okay, so up here we would be multiplying binomials. So here I would have 2 times 2 times 2 times x plus 2 times x plus 2 times x plus x squared over 3 times 3, which is 9. So then I would end up with 4 plus 4x plus x squared over 9. Okay. So if I were to use that quotient rule when we have addition, so 2 plus x over 3 squared, so if I did 2 times 2 is 4, so that's 2 squared plus x squared over 3 times 3, which is 9. So notice the difference here. We would get different answers. So this does not work when we have addition or subtraction going on in the parentheses with an exponent. Okay, so this only works when we have multiplication going on, so no pluses or minuses in between things, and to an exponent. Okay, so that is your power of a quotient rule.